broken but cannot close, below this bar. And if it would be no problem, because I wanted to take advantage from this top until the 200 moving average before the market goes up. So I have marked here with stickers also these blue points that the market comes down here, and then we will have again a good profit taking. Why this movement happened? Very easy, because people are expecting that the Federal Reserve is going to hike the interest rates sooner than expected. Well, who is making decisions? The bankers. And who is behind the bankers? The Congress. And who is behind the Congress? Of course, billionaires. People with big money, right? And they all know what will happen. They tell, okay, now hike the interest rates, let the interest rates be there where they are now, or don't change or change the interest rates. And we see here, if you are trading this one and you are unexperienced, wait for this indicator here. I have mentioned in part 1 in the previous video. If the red line is coming again over 0 and it's green, then you can go long. And we see here now our ADX is also increasing, okay, and we see the green line are the bulls, the reds are the bears, but from behind we see that the white line is moving towards 28 line zone. So what do we learn that? We learn first that our Renko bars have 3 different colors. Each has its own meaning. And one of most important is the white color. It means if you trade the Renko bar, the Renko chart only without any indicator, then you can do the following. You can buy the green, sell the red, and if you are selling and you see the white or the yellow Renko bar, then reverse the problem immediately and put your stop loss behind the last closed one. I have, as you can see here, I show it again to avoid any mistake. You see here my green lines are surrounded by a red line. This is this red line. It means a green line or the price has been already up and it closed successfully. You see that my red lines are surrounded by white lines. It means, this is this white line, my short candles have already reached the zone successfully and closed there too. And this one, we can also put it in yellow, no problem. We can do it here with white, as you can see, with another color, no problem. Okay, it is just an indication that the market is running for me. And you see now I am with $136. How fast it is increasing again. And we go here to 4 hours chart, to 2 hours to compare. And yep, we see here in 2 hours chop, we have the first green zone here. The market has turned back again to this side, and we are now with $200 against in profit, right? And we are trading it with I have put here take profit. In another video I can show you how I make my take profit levels, but here you can see how it's working. Now if we put down this Renko chart to 2 hours chart, we see here the following. Voila, 2 hours chart of Renko charts, and that is an answer to all people who tell you it doesn't matter if you trade 1 hour, 2 hour or 4 hour Renko chart or 1 month, they are all the same. No, it's not the same. It's not the same. It's different. You see here, if we have been trading our well, now the NASDAQ, and I have been watching it because I got an alert. So this is here, this zone. You see exactly here. So here and here, right? But always on major trade side of the daily, right? I see where the market is going, but I'm following the trend on the daily chart. That's always important to know, right? The next thing I can see here is how to trend to use already this chart with some additional tools. So, and now if we go to a lower time frame, for example 5 minutes, we have a clear, much more clear picture than this one. So what do we see here? So we see here that my Renkos here are predicting that the trend is going much more higher, right? And here, these lines, do you know them? This is my next secret. Bank levels. So these bank levels are daily supply, daily demand, weekly supply, weekly demand, monthly demand, and monthly supply levels, right? It is possible now that the market, we see here how fast it's going up, because it would be possible that at this level the market comes down. It will not happen because we have broken 1 line, 2 lines, 3, and he's going now for the 4th line, right? This one, this red line is DSI by Zen and Art. You can look for it, and you see now how fast my position is against over $600. I have taken that good profit, and I'm going back into my major trend direction successfully. So I'm going back to my daily chart, right, like that, and so like this again, and you see this candle is becoming bigger and bigger, and I am now simple strategy.